Let's be real. You've set goals before, big ones. You were excited. You told yourself, this is the year I make it happen. But then, life happened. Motivation faded. And the goal? It quietly disappeared. Sound familiar? You're not lazy. You're not weak. You don't lack ambition. The truth is simple. Your goals aren't failing. Your system is. Let's dive deep into why your goals keep falling apart and how to fix them starting today. 1. Your goals are too vague. I want to be rich. I want to get fit. I want to be successful. These are wishes, not goals. Real goals are specific. They're clear. They're measurable. Say this instead. I will save 1,000 CDs in the next 3 months by setting aside 100 CDs each week. Or, I will work out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 30 minutes. Clarity removes confusion. The clearer your goal, the closer you get to it. 2. You're focused on the outcome, not the process. You want the result, the trophy, the body, the lifestyle, but focusing only on the destination makes you forget the daily steps that lead there. The gym doesn't change you. Showing up to the gym 3 times a week for months does. Want to be a great speaker? Practice speaking? Want to be a top student? Show up every day and study when it's hard. Fall in love with the process. That's what builds success. 3. You're waiting to feel motivated. Here's the truth. Motivation is a liar. It's temporary. You can't depend on it. What you need is discipline. Set a schedule. Show up even when you don't feel like it, especially then. Success belongs to those who act even when it's uncomfortable. 4. You're not tracking progress. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track your wins. Track your steps. Track your effort. Each small win builds confidence and momentum. And momentum, that's what separates talkers from doers. 5. You're trying to do everything at once. Don't chase 5 goals at the same time. You'll burn out or give up. Pick one. Go all in. Focus deeply. Master it. Then move to the next. Slow progress is better than no progress. 6. Your why isn't strong enough. A weak reason leads to weak action. A strong why fuels persistence. Ask yourself, why does this matter to me? What's driving me? What's at stake if I don't follow through? When your reason is powerful, your excuses disappear. 7. You're doing it alone. Trying to reach big goals alone is like climbing a mountain barefoot. Surround yourself with people who support your growth. Find a friend, a mentor, a group. Get accountability. You'll go farther, faster, and stronger. 8. You're afraid to fail. Let go of the fear of failing. It's not a sign you're weak, it's a sign you're trying. Every winner has failed. What made them different? They didn't stop. Fail forward. Fail smart. But don't stop. So what's the fix? Here's your new formula. Get clear on what you want. Break it into small, daily actions. Stick to a schedule, not feelings. Track your progress. Focus on one thing at a time. Know your why. Surround yourself with support. Embrace failure as part of the journey. You don't need perfection. You need persistence. This is your moment. Right now, write down one goal, just one. Make it specific. Set a date. Break it down into tiny steps. Take one action today, because if you don't start now, then when? You've waited long enough. No more excuses. No more delay. Start small, but start. This is your chance to change your story. If this message lit a fire in you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs that push. Drop your goal in the comments. Let's build each other up. You were made for greatness, and it all begins with one step. Let's go.